Which Indian boxer has won the fifth successive medal at the Asian Boxing Championship? Answer: Shiv Thapa. International Everest Day is being observed on which day? Answer: 29 May. Who has announced the PM Cares for Children scheme for the children who have lost their parents due to corona? Answer: Central Government. Who has appointed as the new officer on special duty OSD and Commerce Secretary? Answer: BVR Subramaniam. Who has recently launched services e-health assistance and teleconsultation OPD portal? Answer: Rajnath Singh. Which aerospace company's Falcon 9 rocket has recently launched Starlink 28 mission? Answer: SpaceX. Which state celebrated its Foundation Day on 30th May? Answer: Goa. The second meeting of BRICS Sherpa and Sherpa was held in May 2021 under the chairmanship of which country? Answer: India. On which day was 296th birth anniversary of Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar celebrated? Answer: May 31st. Who has been appointed by Raymond Limited as the Chief Executive Officer of its real estate business? Answer: Harmohan Sahani. Telangana State Formation Day is on which day? Answer: June 2. Who has elected TV Narendran as its new president for 2021 and 22? Answer: CII. Who has won the gold medal in the 91 kg weight category at the ASBC Asian Boxing Championship? Answer: Sanjit Kumar. Who has launched the world's first nano urea liquid for farmers across the globe? Answer: IFFCO. Which IIT has announced collaboration with IBM on quantum computing education and research? Answer: IIT Madras. Which New Zealand player has been honored with the Kiwi Cricketer of the Year award? Answer: Kyle Jameson. The Chief Minister of which state launched the solar-based electrification program for rural households in the state in May 2021? Answer: Goa. The ships of 22nd Missile Vessel Squadron celebrated their annual award ceremony on the 28 May 2021 in which city? Answer: Mumbai. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to the Republic of Iceland? Answer: Balasubramanian Sam. Who took over the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission in NHRC June 2021? Answer: Arun Kumar Mishra. Who has taken over as the new Director General of Assam Rifles? Answer: Pradeep Chandran Nair. Which Vice Admiral has recently taken over as the Deputy Chief of the Naval? Answer: Ravneet Singh. Who has launched the digitized version of flagship health schemes on the IT platform of National Health Authority (NHA)? Answer: Dr. Harshvardhan. Who has been elected as the Asia Oceania representative at the 2021 International Association of Ultra Runners IAU Congress? Answer: Nagraj Adiga. In May 2021, who has been re-nominated by the government to the upper house of Parliament, Rajya Sabha? Answer: Sopan Dasgupta. Cabinet approved the Memorandum of Cooperation MoC between India and which country in the field of sustainable urban development? Answer: Japan. Who has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Tripura? Answer: Alok Kumar. Which state will conduct digital survey of agriculture land on pilot basis in 27 selected villages of the state? Answer: Telangana. Hasmatullah Shahidi has been appointed as the new ODI and Test captain of which cricket team recently? Answer: Afghanistan cricket team. The largest warship of the Iranian Navy Kharg has recently sunk in which gulf after a fire? Answer: Gulf of Oman. Which state has decided to provide 33% reservation to girl students in engineering and medical colleges of the state? Answer: Bihar. In June 2021, who has been elected of the 11th President of Israel? Answer: Isaac Herzog. Who will launch the Senior Care Aging Growth Engine SAGE project? Answer: Thabar Chand Gehlot. Who has appointed Marne Levin as its new Chief Business Officer? Answer: Facebook Inc. Who has announced plans to buy 15 aircraft from airline startup Boom Supersonic? Answer: United Airlines. Warner Media has announced the appointment of whom as MD for its streaming service HBO Max in Southeast Asia and India. Answer: Amit Malhotra. Who has been elected as the chairman of the executive board of the World Health Organization's WHO? Answer: Dr. Patrick Amoth. Which day is celebrated across the world on 5th June? Answer: World Environment Day. In which state Union Food Processing Industries Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated Indus Best Mega Food Park? Answer: Chhattisgarh. Who has approved the Model Tenancy Act proposal recently? Answer: Central Cabinet.